syempre madilim, di ba? 5 a.m. pa lang. What's up? Welcome to the day in the life with Coach G. So it's almost 5 a.m. for 4:55. Yeah. So first thing na gagawin natin is magsi-CR to take some dump. And then coffee. Get some sunlight outside. So mga 6:30 yan or 7 a.m. magkakaaraw na. Ipapakita ko sa inyo lahat ng ginagawa ko this morning. So mamaya meron tayong 6:30 a.m. client online. And then 8 a.m. pupuntahan natin yung first client natin sa Magnolia Residences. And then punta tayo ng 10 a.m. kay Mr. Joe Vargas. And then sunod-sunod na yun. Right, see you later. Freshly grind. Alright, so nakapag-coffee na tayo. Ayan, paubos na. So, 7 a.m. So, this is what I do every 7 a.m. Or earlier, if ever 6:30, nagpapa-araw na ako to get vitamin D. Natural vitamin D. Okay, baka sabihin ng iba may ni-inject akong vitamin D. Wala. So, everything I get is natural. Okay, so bakit ko nga ba ginawa itong pagpapayat? Because I want to feel good and I want to look good. I'm not doing this para masatisfy yung mga taong nagko-comment or nagsasabi sa akin na I'm using TRT or steroids. No, wala akong pakialam sa inyo. You can say whatever you want just to prove your point na kunyari tama ka na na-achieve yan kasi nag-TRT yan or nag-steroids yan. Bugok. I can do this by eating a balanced meal, staying consistent, and staying focused dun sa goal ko. Okay? So, kasi ako mas naisip ko na mas mahal magpa-doktor, okay, kaysa kumain ng mga healthy. Yun sa mga nagsasabing I've been using TRT or any kinds of steroids, no? Maybe they're the one who's been using it and siguro hindi nila na-achieve pa rin yung goal nila. And what I don't understand is, why do you hide it? Dapat nga maging proud kayo kasi may pambili kayo nung mga yon, diba? Ako, I'm proud because I did it by myself. I did it by staying consistent and following the program na ginawa ko para sa sarili ko. I did it because my wife is helping me, my kids are helping me, and syempre, ginawa ko to better myself. This is all for my family, not for anyone else. I'm doing this for my family, staying fit and healthy. When I look good, I feel good, I do good things. Okay, yan ang sanang maintindihan nyo. And once you start doing the program na sinasabi ko sa inyo, you just have to be patient. Okay? And then, you will achieve it. Hindi naman yan magic or hindi naman yan yung parang sinasabi nga nilang TRT or steroids na pag in-inject mo, ayun na kagad. Diba? Or yung Ozempic ba yan? Okay? You can do this by staying natural, and believe me, everything I did is all natural. I eat everything. Umiwas lang talaga ako sa sweets for now. Okay? Sa mga sugar. And then, I eat lots of protein if possible. Okay? And when you do something, do it for yourself, not for anyone else. Do it because you want to do it. Do it because you want to feel good about yourself. Not because, sinabi kasi ni ganito, ni ganyan. Fuck them all. Okay? Hindi sila importante. Ang importante, ikaw at ang pamilya mo. Stay away from people na nagsasabi sa'yo ng kung ano-ano. Keep your circle small. Focus on yourself. Focus on your family. Focus on your goal. Yan ang ginawa ko. Umiwas ako sa lahat ng tao na nakikita kong bad influence sa akin, sa health ko. Yung mga puyat, yung mga inuman. I just focus myself. We're still friends pero hindi lang ako sumasama na sa kanila. I just focus. I stayed at home. I work out. I focus on the things na kailangan kong gawin instead of going out every night. So yung mga yung mga yung mga taong nagsasabi sa inyo na ganito na itsura mo, ganito ang pangit mo na, just always remember, okay? Just always remember na it's you versus you. Okay? Kung sumama ka sa mga taong mahilig mag-inom, lumabas, gumimik, that will be your lifestyle. If sasama ka sa mga taong mahilig ayusin yung sarili nila, like to better themselves, going to the gym, focusing on their family, then that will be your lifestyle. Okay? Huwag ka naman sumama or huwag ka naman sumama dun sa mga lalaking mas maganda pa sa mga asawa nila. Okay? Just stay focused on yourself and then be better. And if you can hire a coach, get a coach. Okay? Kaya lang pumili rin kayo yung coach na ganun din, no, na hindi mas maganda sa inyo or hindi mas maganda sa asawa nyo. You know, kasi I've seen a lot of coaches, no, pag nasa gym, mas matagal pa sa salamin kaysa pag sa pagtuturo sa mga clients nila. You know, masyadong nakakatawa lang. You see that when you go to the gym. Kaya ako, as much as possible, umiiwas ako sa mga clients ko na gusto sa gym kami mag-workout. Kaya dito na lang sa bahay. And that's why pinagagawa ko yan. Alright? Pinapaayos ko lahat dito sa bahay para maging private gym. So once naayos na to, we can all stay focused 45 minutes to 1 hour a day. That's what you need. Okay, so yes, again, if you can hire a coach, better to push you. Okay, not yung hindi yung para maipagkwentuhan lang sa inyo na habang nagse-session kayo, naka-cellphone lang, bubula-bulahin ka lang. Like, yung ganda na nga, kumusta ka na ngayon? Alright, so as much as possible, look for a legitimate coach. Okay, wag yun mas pogi pa sa inyo, wag yung parang coach na papupunta or join ng modeling. Okay, get a reliable coach. Alright, coffee. Yan ang aming bunso, 3 months old.
Round 4.
Straight arm, then go exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Inhale, exhale. Don't lean your shoulder body here. Yan, yan lang. Inhale, see, exhale. Good. Good job. Good. Good. Stop. 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 Good. Step back. Upper straight. Good. Straight. Stop. Straight. Back. Good. Stop. Good. Straight. Straight. Upper look straight. Straight. 4 punches straight. Straight. Again. 4 punches straight. Back straight. Back. Straight. Straight. Elbow straight. Yeah, Coach, ingat. See you next week. Alright. So, after ng jiu-jitsu, yan, nagsasawa na ako. So, sa lahat na nagda-doubt na hindi ako natural, I don't give a about you guys kung anong iniisip niyo sa akin. I do my thing. I work out. I do at least 4 hours of jiu-jitsu. If I can do it every day, I do it every day. So next, pag uwi natin, may clients pa tayo. So it's, what time is it na? 3:30 na. Okay, so may pupuntahan pa akong client na at 5 p.m. and then 7 p.m. sa bahay and then another 8 p.m. Alright? So, again, balikan ko kaya. Alright, so syempre after natin mag-jiu-jitsu, kailangan fasted pa rin ako, no? So hindi pa ako kumakain. Ang last meal ko is last night ng 7 p.m. So until now,
Nagturo tayo kanina ng 6 a.m. and then 8 a.m. dun sa dalawang clients natin, and then 10 a.m. dun sa isang kliyente ko pa, and then 11 a.m. dumiretso na ako sa DefTac Victoria Sports. Dun ako nag-jiu-jitsu from 11 to 2 or 11 to 3 p.m. And then I go to sauna, and then I go home. I wait for my another 3 clients to come. So while naghihintay ako sa kanila, ito ang first meal ko parate. I make sure that I buy the best brand. So this is Dymatize Isolate 100. So yan, makikita nyo super, ilan ang sugar nito. 1 gram ng sugar. Favorite flavor ko is this. Yan, siyempre peanut butter. Okay, i-imagine ko na lang na kumakain ako ng Reese. Alright, so 2 servings ang ginagawa ko for this one. Ang isang sikreto kong malupit ay may hinahalo ako dito sa whey protein ko, which is hindi TRT, hindi rin kahit na ano BCAA or creatine. Hindi ako naghahalo ng ganun. Naghahalo ako ng yan. Okay, so for those who still in doubt na hindi natural ang ginagawa ko, pwede nyo akong pa-check, okay? Kung paano man sine-check yung mga ganyan, yung mga steroids and TRT, pero bayaran nyo ako, di ba? Okay? Kasi takot ako sa injection. Number 1, sobrang takot ako sa injection. Alam ng mga tao may kilala sa akin at alam ng kung saan ako nagpapa-blood test every 6 months na ayoko ng injection, ayoko ng something na pinapasok sa katawan ko, okay? And dun sa mga nakakilala sa akin, alam mo, 15 years ago, 15 or 17 years ago, yung hydroxycat nga lang na capsule pinag-take ako, isa lang grabe yung palpitation ko Kaya I never tried doing it again. Kahit na yung clenbuterol ba yun, hindi ko na tinake yan, and para lang alam nyo na, alam ko rin naman yan kasi pinag-aaralan ko yan dahil nagpa-palpitate ako. Kahit na yung ano yung ihi ka ng ihi, basta kung ano man yun, yung para matutuyo ka ng ano, I don't take those kasi nga alam ko masama sa katawan. As much as possible, I do everything naturally. That's why I drink whey protein, and ito ang mga kinakain ko. Yan, ganyan karami. Okay? Lettuce, spinach, pepino. Yan ang mga sikreto ko. Nilabas ko na kung ano yung secret ko. Alright? And syempre, ginger. Hindi nawawala ang ginger sa akin. And okra. Yan ang mga binibili ko na pagkain. All of my clients, I never asked them or I never told them to drink anything na pampapayat. Sila na yung mga ginagawa nila before, umiinom sila, nagpapa-inject sila, etc. etc. It works for them, but they still didn't get the goal that they want. Okay, ako, number 1 kung bakit ko ginawa itong pagpapayat is because meron akong high cholesterol and high blood na sa family namin. It sucks, but that's how it is. That's how life is, Minsan na-inherit natin yung mga ganon na mga sakit. Okay, that's why I choose to live healthy for my family, not for myself anymore, for my family na. Okay, especially for my kids and for my wife. Okay? And ano pa ba? So yun lang. Iinumin natin to, then kakain tayo mamaya. So fasted pa din ako, And then later on, magtuturo tayo. So stay tuned. So ayan na, naglagay na ako ng water dun sa whey protein ko. Gagamitin ko yung Magic Bullet. Alright, so lalagyan ko to ng frozen berries kasi sad to say, wala naman tayong mabilan dito ng mga fresh berries. Kung meron man, sobrang mahal na. Alright, so after ko shake, kukuha ko ng mga frozen berries, lalagyan ko siya. Or pwede naman, kung kayo gusto nyo, lagyan nyo ng banana or whatever. Ako ayoko lang kasi masyadong mataas ang sugar. Alright, so for those who telling you na okay lang ang sugar sa katawan, for me it's not. Okay, kahit na galing pa sa fruits yung sugar na yan. Because ako, gusto ko magtanggal ng sugar and fat sa katawan ko. Ayoko magdagdag. So once I reach my goal, and then I'll start eating those fruits kung gusto ko lang. Okay, hindi ko naman kailangan pilitin yung sarili ko eh. But besides eating the fruits, yun nga kinakain ko is more on vegetables. Alright, now, tapos na tayo inumin yung whey protein. Magre-prepare na tayo ng dinner. Ayan, see? Almost 5 p.m. So, syempre, kain tayo ng steak. Fresh rosemary steak. Yan. And then, ang side dish natin dyan is yung mga binili nating lettuce kanina. Alright? So, stay tuned. Again, go, jab straight, straight, upper look straight, step back, go. Again, upper look straight, go. Jab straight.
Coach, abs reveal nga. Abs reveal. Abs reveal. Ooh. Yan yung inspiration natin eh.
Inhale, elbows up. Nice. Sumabit lang ng konti, but nilift mo yun. Okay lang, okay lang. Last one, let's go. So alright, this is how we end our day. So from morning, pinakita ko sa inyo lahat ng ginagawa ko, ang routine ko, and now it's time to sleep, shower, and then sleep na. One more thing na napaka-importante sa ginagawa ko is at least I get 7 to 8 hours sleep. Every day yan, every night yan. Okay? So, yun lang. I hope you enjoyed a day with Coach G. Alright? So, this is your Coach G Bote. Humble but ready to rumble. Peace out. Ingat kayo pa.